This video is an information video, not a how to install video. This is a Car Dual Matchless Multimedia Receiver with Bluetooth. It's a 7-inch screen. The number is XVM279B. Priced at Walmart, about $69.95 plus tax. This radio does a lot of features. It has an SD card, USB, phone, wireless, audio, wireless, auxiliary in, camera. Camera is sold separate, and it has settings on the features. I cleaned off the coating on the left one, and on the right one is factory coating stock. This is what it looks like installed. Took a little on the bottom side and top side off, but worked out good. Give me a like, subscribe, and again, thanks for watching.